everyone. So this is Razinuddin. I am a part of Q World and Q Pakistan. I am a PhD student working in non-locality in quantum foundations. And so after a very rigorous and technical talk, let's light up some environment. So talk is about is the thing we are actually working on, last couple of months, and this meeting is for this, So this is actually the overview of what we did uh, for the last couple of months, and this project is about the joint collaboration between Koreka and QWorld. And this product is actually, the course in which we make some modules. So it has in total 10 modules. Nine is the learning modules, which are compulsory for all the students. And one is the optional one, which is the project module. So if someone interested in the content of any of the content, so they can, uh, meet with the uh, authors of the modules and make some, progress. So like this is a MOOC course, and like every MOOC course, it has some recorded lectures, the assessments, and all. But what we did actually, we have some our internal timeline. So if some students follow our timeline, so we have some live Q&A for all of them. So to actually, check the concepts they are working on. So what I mean by the timeline, so we started with this on the 12th of Feb. So the one common thing on all of the dates is they are the Wednesdays of each week. So we upload the content on each Wednesday, and on the next Monday, there is a live Q&A for each of these modules. So these are the content of the course. So it's a 50 hours course for the learning modules. So you can see we actually have, some uh, introduction of the field to the very deep topic, but you had just saw in the opinion of Ryan, the quantum machine learning just fell out, but it's there. And we have a project module, which is actually optional. And the theme is that if some students are interested in any of the topics, it's actually reach out to the content developer of the modules, and they will work with them. So the all students, we are actually, as of May, we have almost 530 students, and the students are of two categories. Some of them are the credit track student, which are actually taking this course as the credit course in their respective universities. So we have three universities right now in the collaboration, the IBA Karachi, CTU, and LU. And all the others are the open track, like others in the all MOOC courses. So the thing is, we actually, some 17% of the students are already completed the course. Some are in the progress, and like every data, there are some outliers. So we have one guy which shows up but didn't start. So maybe he or she will in the future. So, the one thing about every MOOC course is actually to see the content is, equally divided in respect of how hard or how easy it is. So this thing is actually shows up this thing that the modules we are, presenting is actually on the right tracks in the as the level of difficulty. And another thing we actually focused on, when you are offering some MOOC course, so there is the thing that you are giving the student the unlimited time and unlimited attempt of quizzes for the assessments, right? So there are the chances that they actually didn't learn the course, but giving the quizzes again and again, and they actually check up the right answer, right? So to see this, that they actually learning the course or they just doing the assessment. So for this, you can see this correlation thing, and it is a relief for us that you can see they are not all much correlated, the number of attempt and the marks of the quizzes they are getting for the assessment. Here are some the statistics related to how they are performing overall, how bad it is, how good it is. So The numbers are great as of now, since the course is already in the progress and will end at the end of August. So we will see the whole scenario then. And then, the feedback, the testimonial from our students who are actually completed the course, and you can see uh, the numbers are good enough here as well, and they are actually liking and referring to others as well. So this is just a snapshot what we did last couple of months, and we are on the right track, and hopefully we will do with the great end at the end of August. So this is it from me. Any questions?
Yeah, we can have one question. How was it for you, this process?
So
Personally?
so the process first is the making the content, which is thinking of it, how to make the content that is useful for all of us, in the sense that it actually have deep full meaning of understanding of the topic, and make it how much easy as we can, so that everyone can participate and see it. So overall, it's good.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thanks to Razin.